Hey guys, welcome to another NBC video, and welcome to another Project Ford Explorer video. Today we're going to be fixing another thing that is required to start the Explorer, the starter solenoid.
Yep.
That was bad. And we'll demonstrate what it's doing as of right now before we fix it.
So this right here, junk. Remember last May when we first got this car started for years, we were testing all the different systems and we tried the screwdriver trick on this. If the starter solenoid's bad, you'll touch one of these wires with, or not wires, but these connectors with a screwdriver, and while the car's in the run position, the engine will fire to life. We tried that. That didn't happen. What was wrong was the entire starter motor was bad. We replaced the starter motor back in the summer, but now the car will not start. Let me get in here. Oh, by the way, we have it up off the ground, if you can see that, because we're also going to be replacing a brake line shortly.
All brake lines.
But we get in here. Oh crap! I got the key in my pocket. Oh man. Alright, there we go. Alright, get in here, and then watch what happens when I try to start the car. One click and nothing. Just like when the starter motor was bad. Alright. Okay, so now with the car in the run position and Zach has a screwdriver in his hand, here we go. Do I gotta crank it?
Yeah, crank it. Try again.
How about...
Just trying it. I wonder if the battery's low. Could be.
Yeah, it's on the low side. Okay, so it appears that that's not working, but the battery is low. I'd show you, but Zach's disconnecting it right now. Another thing we found out on the car is when we ran the battery dead one of these not long ago, and when we were just checking things out on the brake line, and the battery ran dead, and when we charged it back up, we got in here, and remember how the door ajar light would stay on and the dome lights would stay on? Well, that doesn't happen anymore, which is a good thing. So now we can just leave the battery plugged in all the time, but it just went dead once again. It's probably just the cold weather. Although this being the first day of winter, I do have to say it's only about 40 degrees, which is unheard of usually here in Wisconsin. Alright, negative terminal's off, and here we go. Placing the starter solenoid.
Alright, so now
I got all the electrical unhooked.
what's your guess? My guess is 8.
I'm saying 7.
8 is.
It looks smaller to me, but okay. There's one. Is there only 2 bolts?
Yeah, I think so. It's gonna be a little harder to get off.
And there it is.
So now let's get the new one. Rock Auto once again. Not sponsored.
Not a sponsor. That'd be cool.
And there's the new one. Official motor crash. There's a side-by-side comparison. A little longer terminals, but
Won't focus. Won't focus. 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 There we go.
Looks to be about the same.
How come the terminals are longer?
I don't know.
So the starter solenoid came with its own new nuts for the terminals.
Not much better than these corroded ones. That could be part of the issue too. Okay. So, big one on first. Then negative to the bottom. Positive over the negative. Little thing right there.
Camera will never focus. Come on.
Pretty easy fix. Much easier than the starter motor was. And you grab your 14mm wrench.
Now we're nice and focused.
Tighten her up.
Okay, new solenoid in. Battery's connected. Let's see if we have enough battery to start this. Oh boy, all this stuff. Set this over there for now. Keys in the cup holder. Okay. Alright, let's see.
Hey! Look at that.
She lives.
So, in case you're wondering, the screwdriver trick does work, but you just gotta have enough battery voltage. And I might not have been able to get it good enough connected because the screwdriver itself was rusty. So, it's best to use a clean screwdriver and then just touch those two terminals. It worked a couple weekends ago when we tried it. So,
Had a different screwdriver. Well, she lives. I thought we were going to have to get some help from Trusty Rusty over here.
the old F-150.
Oh, hey, look. Sounds all right. Look at that.
We see quite a lot of that.
Look at that sunset. Anyway, back to the car.
What were you saying before the...
Yeah, my camera ended up dying. Just threw some new batteries in it. Here it's quieted down a little bit here. It's gone to a lower idle. But you get in here now. Ooh, 10,000 hours. Okay. Now if you close the door, see? Door ajar. Close it. Ha! It's off. See? The dome lights are off. It's really nice. And just as I was telling you, 41 degrees outside on the first day of winter. It's pretty unheard of here. But anyway, That's all we got really now.
Short little video.
Yep, that's gonna be it for today. So thank you guys so much for watching another video on Project Ford Explorer.
And
next time, hopefully, we'll have all the brake lines replaced, and we'll finally have it out in the field, not on the road because we won't have it registered yet, but out in the field for our first drive. Alright, so as I was saying outside before I was so rudely interrupted, since our camera died again, thanks so much for watching this video. In the next one, hopefully we'll be replacing the brake lines, and we'll finally be able to get it out and driving, and you guys will be able to see that for the first time. But if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give us a like, and please subscribe. Let's get to, what's a good goal, Zach?
150.
Yeah, let's get to 150.
In like 6 months.
Sure. Yep. So let's do that, and thanks so much for watching again, and we'll see you later.